So exercise 4.6. You see here in this you may feel that fourth problem little bit difficult to you. The question I am writing here, x plus y plus z is equals to 1 is given to you. Next 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to 2 is given to you. Next ax plus ay plus 2az is equals to 4. So writing the given equations in the matrix form. Given equations in matrix form. So when you write these equations in the matrix form, so what do you write here? 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, A, 2A, 1 matrix. This is called coefficient matrix. X, Y, Z is equals to 1, 2, 4. So let A is equals to 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, A, 2A, and capital X is equals to X, Y, Z, and B is equals to 1, 2, 4. And we need to find out the determinant of the matrix A. Depending upon the determinant of the matrix A, whether they are consistent. Determinant of matrix A is not equal to 0 means these equations are consistent. If it is equal to 0, the determinant is equal to 0. Adjoint of A into B, we need to find out. Adjoint of A into B. So first let us check here whether the determinant of A is what you are going to get. Determinant of A expanding along the first row, let us take into consideration. If any row you can be taken. Third row, if you want to take third row, you take, because A is there. But whenever you take the third row, be careful that here this is the third row first column element. So 3 plus 1, A positive, negative, positive. Second row, whenever you take negative, positive, negative element. So A into, I am taking A, this row and column is deleted. 2 minus 3 we are going to get. Minus A into this row, this row and this column to be deleted. 2A minus 2. No, sir. This, 2 minus 2 plus 2A into 3 minus 2. So this we are going to get it as a minus A plus 0 plus 2A. We are going to get it A. This is not equals to 0. If it is A is not equal to 0 only, they are consistent. Only the consistency is asking to you to find out here, not the solution here. Solution is not asking, just consistency you need to check in this situation. And here, whenever you see that most of the students will get confused in the problem number 5. Problem number 5 also, sometimes it is given to you the variables, some variables, and other time it is given to you the some other variables. So how do we write the fifth problem also? Let us see here. Consistency to check here. Fifth problem, see here. So the question is 3x minus y minus 2z is equals to 2. The second equation is 2y minus z is equals to minus 1. 3x minus 5y is equals to 3. See here, this problem solution can be done in different methods. Directly also. See here, z in this equation z को y में express करो, इसमें x को y में express करो. That all you replace in this equation. Then you are going to get xy. XYZ values if you want to find out, you can do the different methods here. See here, everything can be expressed in terms of y. There z also can be expressed with z is equals to 2y plus 1 होगा. ये इधर आएगा, ये इधर आएगा. तो इधर x is equals to 5y plus 3 by 3. These two values you take and substitute in this. This is general method, you know that. But here matrix, how do we do it? That is important here. Writing these equations in matrix form. These equations in matrix form. So what do you get here in the matrix form whenever you write here 3 minus 1 2 minus 2, sorry. First x coefficient should be written. There is no x in the second equation, so 0. Y coefficient should be written and z coefficient should be written. X coefficient is 3, y coefficient is minus 5. There is no z, so that's why 0 into x small x y z is equals to 2 minus 1 3, like this. So in this a is equals to this one, a x, a b. So determinant of a you have to find out. Any row you can take or any column you can take, that is up to your choice. First row only taking here 3. So 0 minus 5 plus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. This row, this row. 0 plus 3 minus 2. 0 minus 6. So what do you get here? Minus 15 आ जाएगा. Here plus 3 आएगा. Here plus 12 आएगा. Isn't it? Am I right here? Minus 15 plus 3 minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12. So which is equals to 0. If determinant of a is equals to 0, what to do here? Adjoint of a into b we have to find out. So adjoint of a into b, depending upon the adjoint of a into b, you can say that whether number of solutions, how many you are going to get, whether they are consistent or not. So okay, so let us find out the in this situation adjoint of a. Compulsory determinant of a is equals to 0 if you get. That a is equals to 0 if you get, then compulsory you need to find out the adjoint of a. Adjoint of a compulsory you need to find out. So what is adjoint of a we will get in this situation? Let us see. Okay. One minute. So what is mean by adjoint of a? Every element of a should be replaced with its cofactor. Okay. Transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing the every element with its cofactor. So adjoint of A is nothing but A matrix A. It's the adjoint find out. Transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing the every element with its cofactor. So with its cofactor, we have to replace. So what we are going to get? A is the cofactor बोलते हैं A row and column. If you are getting confused, ये plus आएगा, इधर minus आएगा, इधर minus, इधर minus, इधर minus. ऐसा लिख दीजिए पहले. As this problem includes the other also, capital A11, capital A12, capital A13, no need to write here. Directly if you want, you can write here. So what do we get here? 0 plus 5. So we are 0 minus 5. So minus 5 we are doing. The cofactor of this element we need to find out. This row and column will be 0 plus 3. So here already we are having this is cofactor itself. So 0 plus 3 is nothing but here minus is there, here minus 3 we are going to get it. Next, this row and this column, 0 minus 6. So we are going to get it here minus 6. This row and this column 0 minus 10, minus 10. So which becomes plus 10. Okay. Next, this row, this column 0 minus of minus 6, 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 is nothing but 6 we are going to get. Next, this row and this column to be deleted, minus 15 plus 3. Minus 15 plus 3, minus 12 we are going to get. So minus already it is there, so we are going to get it plus 2. Okay. Next, this for this element, this row, this column means we are going to get 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Next row, this row, this row, minus 3. Minus 3 we are going to get. Already minus is there, this becomes plus 3. Next, 6. 6. And transpose, it's the transpose find out. So that means minus 5, minus 3, minus 6, 10, 6, 12, 5, 3, 6. Now what to do? Adjoint of A into B find out. Adjoint of A into B. Whether they are consistent or not, to check this we need to do. It is singular matrix. Singular matrix, whenever it is there, adjoint of A compulsory we need to find. So what is adjoint of A? Here we are getting minus 5, 10, 5, minus 3, 6, 3, minus 6, 12, 6 into B. B matrix is 2, minus 1, 3. This what we need to get here. If it is not equals to 0, there is no solution. The system of equations, if it is not equals to O, if it is not equals to O, there is no solution, therefore inconsistent. Okay, if it is equals to O, if it is equals to, why they are inconsistent, there is no solution also, we can find out solution, find out करके भी check कर सकते हैं. उसमें मैं सब्स्टिट्यूशन वाला मेथड भी बोला है ना स्टार्टिंग में, वो भी चेक कर सकते हैं. Okay, let us see here. Why don't we get the solution also? Minus 10 plus 15. minus 10 plus 15 आ गया, तो वो equal to other, no need to find out, but let us find out. minus 6 plus 9, minus 12 plus 18. So which is equals to here minus 5, minus 12 plus 9, minus 3, minus 24 plus 18, minus 6. So which is not equals to 4. Therefore, solution of this system of equations does not exist. Therefore, solution does not exist. Therefore, solution does not exist. Therefore, given system of equations are inconsistent. Actually here, why don't we get here inconsistent? How do we say? Means, see here, as just normal method, how do we do? Here, what do you get here from this second equation? Z is equals to 2y plus 1 we will get. From this equation, x is equals to 5y plus 3 by 3. ये दोनों इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के लिए बोला है. Here I am going to substitute. Like this you need to do 3 by 5y plus 3 by 3, 3x minus y minus 2z. Z का प्लेस में 2y plus 1 लेना है, is equals to 2. Everything is converted into y, and y value will be, these two will get cancelled. 5y plus 3 minus y minus 4y. Okay, and the minus 2 is equals to 2. देखो इधर 5i है, इधर 5i, 0 we are getting. 3 minus 2 is equals to what? 1 equal to 2 we are getting when you try to solve that equation. 1 equal to 2, never it is possible. So not possible. So no solution. In some situations, how do we get, in some situations you are going to get 5 is equals to 5 or 1 equal to. This is always true for any value. So infinite number of solutions in that situation. When you are substituting the method, whenever you are trying like this substitution method, if you get any time like this, there are infinite number of solutions. So you try to check the problem which is given to you. Infinite number of solutions means, suppose I have taken x plus y plus z is equals to 3, 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 6, 3x plus 3y plus 3z is equals to 9. You try to solve these equations. What I did here, 3 are same equations. First equation को 2 multiply कर लिया, second equation को first equation को 3 multiply कर लिया, third equation. These equations are having a infinitely many solutions. Okay, when you try to substitution method, wherever you try, see here substitution method हम लोग कैसे try कर सकते हैं in this situation means x plus y plus z is equals to what I take 3 I have taken. Okay, 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 6, 3x plus 3y plus 3z is equals to 9. इसको equation number 1, इसको equation number 2, इसको equation number 3 करो. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 में से x को एलिमिनेट करो. 1 एंड 2 में से x को एलिमिनेट करना, तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके ट्राई करो, x को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. नो, एवरीथिंग विल बी एलिमिनेटेड, देयर इज नो चांस. 1 एंड 3 के लिए एनी इक्वेशन के लिए इफ यू ट्राई टू एलिमिनेट वन, then other variables also going to eliminate, so it is not possible. So that's why infinite number of solutions we are going to get there is in that situation. So here there is no solution. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? If you are having, then you can ask very clearly. So let us move to the next question here in this finding the solution by using the matrix method. Sixth problem you can try here. उसमें तो कुछ problem नहीं होगा. Sixth problem. So in this 7th and 8th and 9th are pair of linear equations in two variables is given to you. 10th question also. 11th question I am choosing here because it is given to you. You may get confused the one with the fraction it is given to you. 2x plus y plus z is equals to 1. X minus 2y minus z is equals to 3 by 2. The other equation is 3y minus 5z is equals to 9. If you want, you can write this equation, rewrite as 2x, 2 से multiply कर रहा हूँ, minus 4y minus 2z is equals to 3. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Writing these equations in matrix form. Equations in matrix form. So what do you get here? X coefficient is 2, here 2, here x is not there, 0. Y coefficient is 1, here minus 4, here 3. Z coefficient is 1, and here minus 2, here minus 5. This is a coefficient matrix. This is variable matrix. 1, 3, and 9. A is equals to this one. We have to consider here. We have to write as a let A is equals to actually ये equation को matrix फॉर्म में लिख दिया. Matrix में हमने लिखने के बाद this matrix को A consider कर रहा हूँ. We have to consider only that one. We are considering. In this matrix we are taking it as a X matrix. In this matrix we are taking it as a by B matrix. You can take another. Therefore, you are going to get Ax is equals to B. As per the solution, X is equals to A inverse B. So, inverse find out karna. Inverse find out of this matrix you need to do. So, inverse find out karna hai to what is the inverse formula? Adjoint of A by det A. First, det A find out karna. So, we need to find out the determinant of A. Determinant of A, any column use करके find out. First column use करके find out करना. 2 into 20 plus 6 minus 2 into this row minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 plus 0. So we are going to get 52 minus 8 plus 16. We are going to get as a 68, which is not equals to 0. So adjoint of A is equals to transpose of the matrix. Whatever the matrix A is there, उसका transpose find out करना. Adjoint of A find out करना. Okay, so what this you need to find out. 2 का cofactor you have to find out. So 2 का cofactor already we have found, that is 26. We got 26. You can replace. And for these two cofactor we have already found, that is equals to minus 8. And 0 को cofactor find out नहीं किया है because remember 0 है. So we are going to get minus 2 plus 4. So plus 2 we are going to get. So next इसका cofactor. And do remember that here plus 8 we are going to get. Actually cofactor whenever you are finding, this is not the cofactor. Minus into that number is cofactor. So that's why better you write first only minus symbols whenever you write here. इधर माइनस सिंबल्स पहले ही लिखना सही है. इधर भी माइनस, ये 4 प्लेसेस में माइनस हो. प्लस माइनस प्लस minus plus minus plus minus plus. Like this you find out the adjoint of A. This matrix adjoint. So for this cofactor means this row and this column to be deleted. We are going to get minus 10. Already minus is there, 10 this cofactor we are finding. Middle row and column, delete convert, then we are going to get minus 10 here. Here we write minus 10. Okay. For the 3, this row and this column, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6. So it becomes plus 6. Next, 6. Next, 6, minus 6. Last element, minus 8, minus 2, minus 10. इसका transpose लिखना. So what are the elements we are going to get here? 26 plus 10 plus 6. 8 minus 10 minus 6. 2, 6 minus 10. So therefore A inverse, what we are going to get? A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 by determinant means 1 by 68 into adjoint of A is 26, 8, 2, 10, minus 10, 6, 6, minus 6, minus 10. Now X is equals to A inverse into B. So A inverse is 1 by 68 into 26, 8, 2, 10, minus 10, 6, 6, minus 6, minus 10. B, what you get here? 139. 139. 1 by 68 into 26 ones are 26 plus 8 threes are 24 plus 9 twos are 18. What do we get here? 68 we are going to get. And here minus 10 minus 30 plus 54. 64, 33 we are going to get. Sorry, 34 we are going to get. 6 ones are 6 minus 18 minus 90. So what are the numbers we are getting? Let us write here. X is equals to 1 by 68 into here 68, here 64 minus 30, 34 minus 108 minus 6 minus 118 minus 6 100. Is it right? 6 1 is 6, 3 is a ये रो करेक्ट आया. 6 minus 6 minus 10. Whenever you take yes, obviously. What do we get? Minus 118 minus 112 we are getting. Minus 112. So this is equals to 1, 1 by 2 minus 112 by 68. 34 twos are 34 is it? Oh, sorry, 100 and what do we get? 108 we are getting. Sorry, 108, 102 we are getting. 102 only, right? So 3. So we are going to get minus 3 by 2. So therefore, this matrix is X, Y, Z. This is equals to 1, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So therefore, you can say that X is equals to 1, Y is equals to 1 by 2, Z is equals to minus 3 by 2. This is the solution. These values you go and substitute in the given equation. Whether it is right or wrong, you will be able to find. Like this, you have to find out the system of linear equations solutions. Okay. So remaining problems in this exercise, whatever it is given to you, similar model only. You can do it. It's not very difficult to you to do. They are time consuming. The 12th, 13th, 14th also. We'll discuss some problems from the miscellaneous exercise in the next.